Welcome. This quick and easy tutorial will be showing you how to export Brave bookmarks. All right, so first up, go ahead and open up your Brave browser. Now, there are two ways to navigate to the Brave bookmarks section. Okay, so first option, you can go ahead and use the URL box. Now, just type down Brave : /bookmarks. Okay, hit on enter. Here we have it. Another option is by going to the top right, click on the three horizontal lines. Now click on settings. And here we have bookmarks at the top tab. Just click on it. Now to export it, just click on the three dots right here at the top right. Now go ahead and click on export bookmarks. Save it wherever you want. Rename it if you want to as well. And just leave it to HTML document. Save. And once that's done, if you want to import it to a new computer, well, you can just go ahead over to Brave : /bookmarks, click on the three dots and just click on import, select the file and hit on open. And once that's done, you're good to go. And that is it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.